Over the last few years, attitudes have changed towards where and how our loved ones receive care in times of need. Long-term facilities, assisted living communities, nursing homes, and adult daycare have lost the trust of many people. Residents in Bergen County aren't congregating like they used to and have become isolated. There's a shift towards a better way, a more compassionate way. We're about to share how in as little as 48 hours, we'll provide you with peace of mind and your loved one a safe environment that maintains their independence by placing one of our trained and certified caregivers in your loved one's home when they and you need that support.
I found someone that was reliable, that could help with medications, that could take her for walks, do all of the things that she needs to have done for her daily lifestyle.
You guys are absolutely the best. It took a lot of pressure off of us when she wasn't feeling well, and we just really didn't have the time to devote to her.
Over the years, we've found 3 common mistakes people make when it comes to deciding the right care option for their loved one. Mistake number 1, they choose the cheaper option, which then leads to poorer care and an unsafe environment. Mistake number 2, they prioritize their loved one's well-being over their own and become sick themselves due to the continued stress. And mistake number 3, they've been burned by a previous agency where they were constantly worried if the caregiver would even show up due to poor attendance. So don't give other credible agencies a chance. The fact you've hit play on our video means you're experiencing one or more of the following challenges. Number 1, you need urgent care for your loved one, but don't know who to trust. You're overwhelmed with the choice, so struggle through and deal with it on your own. Number 2, your loved one has memory issues, causing their safety to be at risk. You're frustrated because you can't be with them 24/7. Number 3, your loved one gets confused often. This causes them to get stressed and scared daily. Number 4, because they live on their own, there's nobody there to monitor for any accidents. Every 19 minutes, a senior tragically dies from a fall. Number 5, your loved one doesn't have the capacity to manage their medication on their own. There's a real danger of refills running out or them forgetting to take them altogether. And number 6, you're torn between caring for your loved one yourself and living your own life. It keeps you in a never-ending cycle of exhaustion. Let's look ahead 48 hours. You're sitting at home with peace of mind, knowing your loved one is being taken care of by a caregiver that is trained and certified. Your loved one has started to feel safe for the first time in a while. Their journey to experience a new level of independence has started. How does that make you feel?
I just wanted to give an outstanding review for Homewatch Caregivers. I have a mom who is in her 80s that has dementia, and I have been taking care of her for years. And I just couldn't do it anymore because I wanted to just be able to be a daughter and have a loving relationship with my mom and not be a nurse, a caregiver. I just wanted to be with her and to enjoy her. And I called Homewatch Caregivers, and I gotta tell you, within a week I had several options. I trusted them, and I was really hoping that I could find someone that could help me help my mom. They gave me all these amazing options, and I found someone that was reliable, that could help with medications, that could take her for walks, do all of the things that she needs to have done for her daily lifestyle. I just want to say a huge thank you to Homewatch.
Hey, I just wanted to take a minute to just thank you guys for taking such good care of my mother over at Homewatch Caregivers. You guys are absolutely the best. It took a lot of pressure off of us when she wasn't feeling well, and we just really didn't have the time to devote to her. So I really wanted to just say thank you so much. Quality organization, I would recommend you anytime.
Thorne and Tamara Ellaby have been proud owners of Homewatch Caregivers since 2009. They've been trusted by over 1,000 families in Bergen County, New Jersey. Homewatch Caregivers is very involved in the Teaneck, Bergen County communities. They work very closely with Teaneck Jewish Family Services, the local Veterans Administration, and a proud provider for the Division of Developmentally Disabled. Tamara Ellaby is the previous president of Teaneck Rotary and proud member of the Teaneck Chamber of Commerce. Thorn Ellaby was previously selected as Teaneck Man of the Year, and he also serves on the Brightside Manor Board of Directors and is an ambassador for Age-Friendly Teaneck. We are Homewatch Caregivers, home care with a personal touch. We're a licensed and accredited home care agency providing personal and companion care services to seniors residing in Bergen County, New Jersey. We specialize in providing care for seniors with memory issues. By working with us, your loved one will experience an immediate increase in their quality of life. A companion that will be by their side for as little or as long as you need them. They'll never feel lonely. More peace and calm in their life than they have felt in a long time. Having all their medical and personal hygiene needs taken care of by a professional daily. Ultimately, you will have peace of mind for the first time in a while, knowing your loved one is being taken care of. You'll be able to enjoy spending quality time with them again. All our caregivers are certified home health aides. We hire the best to ensure you get the best care possible. All our aides are certified by the state of New Jersey, have annual background checks, are licensed, bonded and insured, and are supervised by nurses. Here's the process we'll take you through when you let us know what support you need. You're most probably the child or close relative of a senior. First, we'd schedule a nurse visit to create a customized care plan for you. Then, we select a caregiver that has the right qualifications and meets your schedule needs. The schedule can be as flexible as you want. We then set up a meeting between you, your loved one, and your caregiver. It's important to make sure everyone is happy. Then you sign the service agreement and the support starts immediately. Unlike many other agencies, we don't ask for a deposit and there is a non-binding agreement, so there is no risk to you. You do have an alternative option. Pretend you haven't watched this video and continue with your current situation. Do you really want the worry of having to care for your loved one 24/7 without having the proper medical training or expertise? The stress of paying out tens of thousands of dollars on physical therapy or car insurance? The risk of having to pay a $30,000 hospital bill because your loved one has fallen? Every 11 seconds, a senior is treated for a fall. The worry of whether a caregiver will show up day to day, and if they do, they might not be trustworthy. That's too much of a risk to take. The continued feeling of uncertainty and exhaustion because you're juggling your own life and taking care of your loved one. Of course you don't. It's time to put them and yourself first. You don't have to do this on your own any longer. We've got you both. Now you know there's a way, in as little as 48 hours, to feel that peace of mind knowing your loved one is being taken care of by a caregiver that is trained and certified. And your loved one starting to feel safe for the first time in a while, with their journey to experience a new level of independence starting again. The next step is a simple one. Click the button below and book in a call with us. You'll speak to a member of our specialist care team and let us know what support you and your loved one needs right now. We have the perfect caregiver waiting for you. Click the button below the video and let's have a chat.